Welcome to GrabCAD Shop, the work order management tool for 3D printing model shops. You were invited by your admin to submit 3D print and fabrication requests to your shop. To get started, go to shop.grabcad.com on your browser. Here you can log in with your GrabCAD credentials. If you do not have a GrabCAD account, click Create Account to sign up with the exact email address that was invited. Once you confirm your email, you can sign in. This is your home page, where you can see all the shops that your admin created and invited you to. There could be multiple shops to manage requests per group or department in your organization, but you will only see the shops you were invited to. In a shop, orders are created by requesters like you and are fulfilled by operators. An order consists of parts that you have designed or would like to fabricate, along with relevant information like quantity, technology, material, and a need-by date. You can add CAD or mesh files, project files, and even relevant documents that might help the operator quickly process your request. You can then choose from the technologies and materials that your admin has made available to you before submitting the order. When you submit an order, you can go view the order and edit the details as shown while the order status is still submitted. You can also add more files to that order. If an operator in your company is assigned to your order, you will see it on this page. This person will be responsible for downloading your parts, completing the order, updating the statuses, and communicating with you. If your shop normally quotes you for these requests, you will see print estimates and a price breakdown from this operator. You can clarify details and talk to the operator using comments. If an operator is assigned, he or she will receive an email notification. You will also be notified if they respond, or if the price, status, or anything else changes in the order. As you start creating orders, you will see all your orders on this page. As your list grows, you can easily search and filter based on certain criteria. By default, only the active orders are shown. You are now ready to start using GrabCAD Shop. If you run into any issues, you should contact your admin or operators. You can also contact the Stratasys support team or access our help documentation at any time.